Kyou no oyogimashita. Ashita oyogimasu. Ichigatsu ni ogimasen deshita. Watashi wa oyogimasen. I went swimming yesterday. Ashita. Tomorrow I will go swimming. Ichigatsu ni ogimasen deshita. I didn't go swimming in January. Bizun. Watashi wa oyogimasen. I don't swim. I swam yesterday. Okay, I went swimming yesterday. Same thing. I will swim tomorrow. I will go swimming tomorrow. Same thing. I didn't swim in January. Bizum. And I don't swim. Okay, so I ain't tripping, right? This junk say iru to be to exist. Bizum. Okay, cool. And then this says imas, I have, I am. And that's what I thought at first when I seen it on the previous page. So check this. Then you go over to here, freaking A, and it says imas, because we're still looking at the same thing. We're looking at iru, which is to be, which is what we saw over here. Boom. And it says is there. So I had wrote a little note. I erased it. I wrote this little note and was like, oh, it must be to be at a place. Because to me, is there or was there, all that is like, okay, is somewhere, is at a place. But then you go over to this mug and they talking about I have and I am. Since when has I have and I am been freaking A, god dang, was there, isn't there, all of that. So I'm just trying to figure it out. Maybe it's both. Oka-san wa doko ni imasu ka? Oto-san to imasu. Itsu kaerimasu ka? Joichi ni kaerimasu. Bruh. Oka-san wa mother doko ni? Where imasu ka? Where is your mother? Maybe. Oto-san to imasu. She is with my father. Wait, what? Oto-san? Isn't Oto-san father? Itsu kaerimasu ka? When will she get back? Ju ichiji ni kaerimasu. She will return at 11 o'clock. Where is your mom? She is with my dad. When will she return? She will return at 11 o'clock.
八儀、金取りを放置して銀無事。